Hello guys, this is Kayode. Um, I'm making this video just to show you um, what my village looks like. So some of you know I live in a little village somewhere in the UK, and I want to show you where what village looks like, especially for those of us who are in Africa. You know, it will at least bring some light and change your horizon on the concept of a village. Okay, because sometimes we if we don't know what originally something is supposed to be like, then we will settle for anything that they bring to us. So when they tell us, oh, mega city, Lagos, Abuja, you know, and we don't know what should be the basics of a city, you know, then we too will accept it and will be complacent with it. Okay, but this is not even a city. This is a village. This is a village. I want you to just begin to have a look at the village. It's a little village. Look at it. Check out the road nicely. See the houses. Okay, nice houses. And in those houses, you'll find out that see, you'll find out that the houses have electricity connection. Everyone has got electricity, and those lights, or as you call it in Africa, they don't blink for once. You know, the light is there. All you just need to do is keep paying for it. Okay, but we find out that ironically, some people say they pay in Africa but still don't see the light. So that is sad thing to let you know the basics of life. Now those houses, as you can see, now some of them are like that. You know, it's basics. Yeah, this is just the basic house. What basic housing looks like in my village. You know, nice, decent. You know, with all the basic amenities. Now, as you are looking at the houses, they have the water system. The water goes into there. You don't need to go and look for borehole or how to buy water. You just open your tap, you get water. Water, all you need is pay at the end of the month. Okay, it also has the internet. We have the broadband. You have your phone lines, everything, all the basics, they are in there. Okay, now look at school, village school. This is the school. This is the school in my village. Look at it, very big school. Let me go into it. Let me go in, and just to let you know that education in my village is basic. Look at it, how big, fantastic school, big school. See, look at children over there. Now because of the lockdown, when they are not running uh, full session of intakes of students or pupils at the moment, so just minimum one. That's why you can't see too many children today. So look at the school, very neat, tidy. And the interesting thing about the school is that it's free, it's basic. Even if they find out that you are not sending your child to school, the social worker will visit you. They will come and find out why you are doing that, or what plan do you have to educate the child. Because some people do, they do private training, schooling for their children. They just employ teachers to come home to come and teach their children. So, but if you must send children to school, and that's why they have paid for it. So your responsibility is just to send children to school, and the school system and standard is even far more than most of what we have in all the private schools in Africa. Now look at it. They have even put social distance queue. Okay, now this is my village school. Social distance queue. This is where you queue when you arrive before they admit you inside. Okay, another view of village housing. Okay, fantastic. Look at them. Look at them. These are just basic. Whether you are rich or poor, you are all going to live in those days. Even if you cannot afford it, the government will support you and put you on benefit. So they pay part of it, you pay just the other part of it. Look at nice houses in my village. In my village, houses in my village. We also have some businesses. Okay, this one is like yeah. Okay, this is what they do. They do artificial lawn. They sell planks and stuff like that. I think they are closed today now because of the COVID-19. Look at it. Um, well, information about everything. You know, they put signs just for you to be informed, so that you are safe. And you know, look at it. Houses within my village. All right, I'll show you another housing. Look at it. Nice, clean houses. And okay, this is my village. We have some storage. Look at it. Storage for people where you can keep extra things. Yeah, you see, because here in this country they don't have land mass, just like unlike Africa where we have land, we don't know what to do with them. Okay, so what they do is just to make sure they build everything small based on their land mass, because it's an island surrounded by water. So they have to do extra storage where people can put extra things. So you can see in my village you don't need to have 2 cars in a family, at most maybe 2. You know, you don't need to stack up cars. See, they would have written the number of your flat on your parking lot, so you only have 1 slot. Look at it, nicely compound. You have your parking lot, and that is how they organize you know, the setting in my village. Okay, that's how the organization is. Look at it nicely. Oh, those ones are spreading clothes like in Ajigule. Is it? It's all right. Now approaching the main road. The main road into my village. Now I'm gonna take a tour of it. Okay, look at it. Now this is the main road into the village. Now if you look at it, you'll see that there are lots of different shops, as you can see. Fish and chips. You can relax, have some food. That is it. We have another restaurant, eatery there, Indian cuisine. Okay, you can also hang out there, chill out. We have a nursery. Look at it, a nursery, a daycare for children who are under age. And then we have a furniture shop where you can get some nice furnitures and some other household material for cheap prices. Hey, my bro. Okay, so now that is this is another very interesting thing about my village. You see, we are still constructing new houses just to be able to accommodate new people into the area. So there will be no overcrowding, or people without homes. Look at it on that project. I'm sure in a couple of months, maybe 3-4 months, they'll finish it and people will start living. It doesn't take a long time at all to get it all done. So this is the main road. This is the beginning. Here's the beginning, the main roundabout that we have that comes into my village. Okay, that's the bus stop over there. And then this road now leads to the other city around there. Okay, so now here is the church building of my village. Church building very massive church. So you can see we didn't need to travel far to be able to get everything that we need. The church is called All Saints. All Saints Church. That's the name of the church. Okay, look at it. Very green. Very green. Lots of green. And okay. Let's go this way. So look at it. I want you to have a good view of the church. Look at it. Look at it. Big landmass. You see, the government will give land to the church, build the church, and maintain the building. So when you go to church, you are not under any obligation or pressure to give. No manipulation at all. Because even the things that you give, the offerings that you give, sometimes, there's the gift aid where the government even give back, they give back. Now I'm gonna check this furniture here. Maybe it will be good for me. Yeah, this is very nice. This is quite nice. I like it. Wow. Look at that. I'ma get that. Hello, sir. How you doing? Good. This chair here. 20. Last. As customer concerned. Okay. We'll see that. All right, guys. That is the furniture, as you can see. Now look at the church hall. This is the church hall, as you can see, where you have small events. It's available at a very affordable price. You can go and use the church hall for events. Okay, look at the pharmacy. We have pharmacy. So those are essentials within any little community. You need to have all these essentials. Now this pandemic has shown us that chemist is one of the essential place that needs to be open. It's been open throughout the lockdown. Now we have dry cleaner as well. You want to dry clean your suits and all of that. And then we have what we call off-license shop. Off-license shop. You see that shop? They sell all manner of things there. All manner of home-based things, media things, So this is a card shop, I guess. Okay, now this is the florist of our village. The florist. If you want to select flowers for loved ones, okay, this is where you come buy flowers. Yeah, flowers are very important. Here in my village, we buy flowers to show love, to show care, and all of that. Now, kebabs. We love to have kebabs once in a while. Okay, kebabs very important. Look at it. This one has nice buildings, clean and green. Look at that. Okay, we still have some more shops. Okay, hairdressing, signs, and all of that. Okay, everything is right there in my village. Okay, don't let anybody bamboozle you. This is another shop where you get food stuff, fruits, and a lot of things. This is the way to the park. This way to the park. Maybe another time I'll show you the park, the village park. Okay. Now, also, every community, they've got their own park, just like what you pay for as amusement park. We don't have to pay for that. Now, this is post office. You can see social distancing queue. Everything is well organized. Well organized. Look at it. Okay, another charity shop. See, one thing about this place is that okay, that's another betting shop. You see, the charity shops are for, you know, uh, donations, things that you don't need. You donate it usually to the charity, and charities sell it at, very affordable prices to people who need them. They sell it at affordable prices to people who are in need of them. Okay, so we have a number of charity shops here. Another eatery there, takeaway, chicken and chips. Yeah, we love that a lot. Chicken and chips is a big deal. We love it so much. Look at this one, constable and tube. This is funeral directors, so people can make contributions towards their funeral. So that, because funeral can be very expensive here in this part of the world, but if you have set a plan for yourself, you can actually make it easy. They will take care of all the arrangements, all the programs of your funeral if you have done that. This another church, Baptist church, my area. Yeah, this is our official bank, Lois Bank. That's our official bank in my village. Thank God they are opened now. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so this barber's shop is not open yet. That's another eatery, sandwich bar. Party power. This is another betting. Betting is a big deal here. I hope people are not squandering all their family money on betting. Okay, Robinson, that's house agency, and then we have William Johnston, that's eye shop, eye care shop. Another charity shop, closed though. This is cooperative. This is another big store, another very big store here where you can walk in and buy stuff. Okay, now we have laundrette. Laundrette is where you have a lot of things you want to wash, and you want it to be cheaper for you. You can come to the laundrette, to run just like Zebediah to laundricate your clothes. Okay, that's a laundrette for you. Oh, this is a carpet shop. Nice, fantastic one. So this is another shop, nice one, Sainsbury. You can walk in there, pick stuff, and I'm gonna show you a bit of social distancing here. Okay, see, the door is open now. One more person. Oh, that's fine, fantastic. Yeah, you see what I mean now? Social distancing. You have to wait for someone to go before you come in. So everywhere is organized. There is no confusion, no disorderliness. But at the end of the day, they want everyone to be safe. To be safe and sound. So the village is designed to make everyone comfortable, make everyone happy, make everyone safe and fulfilled. Look at the road, fantastic road. They fix them every often. So this is a tour around my little village. This is just a section of it. There's still another section down there on the opposite, but just to give you a clip, a little bit of idea of how a functional village should be. Like I told you, every building in this place, they have the light, they have water, they've got internet, they've got telephones, connections. All you just need is pay, and you will enjoy constant and stable facility. All right. Now, as you can see, there are no. Look at the fence. There are no big fences here, so there's security. Absolute security. Before, we even used to have a police station, where we are constructing the new houses. That's where we used to have police station. But because there are no crimes like that, it means the police station is not really being optimized. So they had to pull it out and move the police station off from there um, to put accommodation, because that is more needed, because there are no crimes anyway, so they have to put accommodation instead of police station. So safety, very important, very important. Now look at this is pub. Okay, this is a pub, very massive one, where people come to relax, have drink, chat and stuff like that. Okay, so that is a tour around the village where I live. Okay, so if anyone is unable to provide you these basic things, please don't be complacent. Africa, I'm talking to you. Nigeria, this is for you. Don't say, oh, they are trying. No, see, these people don't even have natural resources that we've got. They do not have oil, they do not have coal, they do not have agriculture. There's almost virtually nothing they produce here. They outsource almost everything. Okay, but look at them. Look at the way they are living. See what they have done for themselves. They make sure that they provide things from the needy to the people who are well-to-do. Okay, all the basics are made available for the needy, for the lower class. Okay, for the peasants. Okay, some of them who are homeless, they shelter them. They give them food. There are food banks where they can go get food and stuff like that. Okay, now look at it. This is car park. Okay, look at all the houses, beautiful houses. So make sure that everywhere is clean. Look at it. Okay, it's the community, the government that does the cleaning. And all you need is to pay your council tax. When you pay your council tax, everything will be taken care of. The refuse, waste disposal, everything is taken care of. Look at it. I mean, if you look at it, you'll see that we have different waste bins. Okay, there's one for general waste, there's one for recycling, and there's one for another one. So everything is well organized. So demand for a good life. I'm telling you, do not clap for anyone who is playing with your life, satisfying their own greed, okay, and political ambition at the expense of a good life for you. Don't say, oh yeah, I can buy generator and have no, that is not good life. That isn't still good life, because you are supposed to enjoy light. You are not supposed to be buying generation and fuel to be fueling. You are not supposed to be paying for hospital. You are not supposed to be paying for school, elementary education, paying. And if you cannot pay, that's the end for you. No, that's not a functional community. That's not a functional country or a place for people to live. No, it's not functional. So speak up, demand these things. All these so-called leaders, they have houses here, they see all these things. But the moment they make Nigeria to look like this, they lose relevance. The moment things begin to work in Nigeria, then they continue to lose relevance, lose all their monies and all the avenues, the opportunity that they use to loot people and all of that. They lose everything. So that's what they are playing. Okay, so don't let anybody share to you for 5,000 to vote for them and all those kind of stuff. No. They know what they're doing, and they know that you are gullible. That's why they continue to do what they do. Alright, so this is village. Some other time I'll show you some more stuff. Okay, happening around. Okay, alright, bye.